YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And if you guys are new here, before we get into the video, make sure that you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the anonymous sneakerhead family, join the channel. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, man. Been showing great growth. Thank you very much. And if you already are subscribed and you want to support, I don't ask for money or anything. All that I ask is you take the half a second to go ahead and smash that like button. Helps with the algorithms, which brings more people to the video, which helps grow the channel. And then last but not least, take the time to go ahead and follow the Instagram at anonymous sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. Poll stories, questions, case of the day, all of that stuff. You would have seen me post these up there yesterday. Now, those of you who have been around, you know, not for whatever reason, but I know the reason why. But all of my UPS deliveries get delivered like late at night, like 7, 8 o'clock at night, because I live so close to the distribution facility, and they go outside and work back in. So I always mostly review my shoes the day after I get them, but whatever, let's get into this right here. So you guys see the box, nothing special, red Nike box. We get a bunch of these now. And on the label, we have the Nike Dunk Low Retro, and this colorway is white, team green, and white. And team green is interesting just because on the sneakers app, it's listed as Varsity green, which I don't know why they didn't just throw Varsity green on there, you know what I mean? Why not? But also, I wonder if the Michigan ones say like team, what would it be? It would be team Navy and maize or something, right? I don't know, but just interesting that they didn't go with team or Varsity green or Spartan green. But here it is, the Nike Dunk Low Varsity green. All right, YouTube, you guys can see it right here, the Nike Dunk Low Varsity green, or the Spartan green, or the team green, whatever you want to call it, man. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The hype of dunks right now, for whatever reason, is ridiculous. I wish it was how it was back when I was in middle school. I remember being in 7th grade. That was the shoe that everyone got because it was on the clearance racks. I had the Syracuse dunks back when I was in 7th grade, and 8th grade, and then I had the is it the UNLV dunks? No, the UNLV dunks have the gray. Just same color, black and but all red. I had those in highs as well back then. And I also have my brown paper bag dunks, and I'm really upset. I had the orange box dunks that came out, I believe, in 2016, and I sold them. Should have never did that. I'm actually trading them for another sneaker. But once again, that's just the elephant in the room. Hype shoe, hard to get right now, right? I'm sure these are selling for $350, whatever it is, maybe $400. Who knows, right? But because of that hype, I don't really even usually just put myself through the agony or effort of going for dunks, you know what I mean? I just let them come and go for the most part. But this particular pair right here is a dope pair to me, for one reason, and that is because of where I went to school. Now, I did not go to Michigan State, which is the moniker that everyone gives these, the Michigan State dunk. Obviously, Michigan State being probably the biggest green and white school in the country. Now that I'm trying to think of another green and white college that has as much prestige as Michigan State. Maybe Baylor, but they're more like green and yellow, and then Oregon's like a different type of green. But like this green and white, Michigan State is it. But I happened to go to another college that was green and white, you know what I'm saying? Not Michigan State, but my college colors were green and white, so that's why these are so dope to me, man. And once again, I went for them, wasn't expecting anything to get them, and boom, I got them. So hey, it is what it is. Super happy to have them, add them to the collection and the rotation. Like I said, obviously, if I went to a college whose colors are green and white and I played football there, I have a lot of clothes that are green and white, which means I have a lot of things that I can wear with this sneaker. However, before I go ahead and wear this sneaker, I do want to check. I'll just look around briefly because it's not that big of a deal, but I would rather have the high pair that came out. Either it came out earlier this year or late last year, I can't remember, but they did come out with the high pair recently. And just for me, I like Nike Dunk Highs better. Just, it is what it is out of the Dunks. These are great, but most of my brown paper bag Dunks are highs. I told you guys about the Syracuse Dunks I had. Those were highs. The red and white Dunks I had were highs. The orange boxes were lows. And then this would be the fifth pair of Dunks that I've ever, fifth? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this will be the fifth pair of Dunks that I ever owned in my life. And of those previous 4, I should say, 3 of the 4 were highs, so I do love the highs. I am gonna couple consignment shops in my area. I'm gonna run around today and see if anybody wants to work out a trade, and see if I can get me a high pair if they have them. But if not, I'm okay with these. These are my size 12. You know what I'm saying? Did get them for retail, which was $100 or $110. I think lows are $100. Yeah, $100. You know what I'm saying? And then I have tax right in front, so I paid tax, shipping, all of that. And they came in, and like I said, able to get them for retail. Super excited. Just nothing too much to talk about the sneaker. Leather on it is good. Not even good. It's okay, right? It's regular leather. It's not like if you have the UNC ones, that leather is really good. Bloodline ones, that leather. This leather is like the court purple ones or the royal toe ones. I'm just trying to think of ones that I personally touched. I can't remember what. These are like the Volt Gold ones that came out this year. Not like the better leather than the Shadow 2.0s. I have the Shadow 2.0s. That is terrible leather. These are better than those. But once again, man, just dope, simple shoe, simple color blocking. You know what I'm saying? Regular Dunk outsole, which, by the way, is the same outsole as the Jordan 1. And once again, man, I'm happy to have them in hand. These definitely, if they don't get traded for highs, these definitely will get a lot of wear, man. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you're new here, make sure that you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel. Also, if you already are subscribed and you want to show support, man, take the 2 seconds to go ahead, smash that like button. Helps with the algorithms, helps grow the channel, helps more people see the videos. And then last but not least, take the time to go ahead, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, post stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff, man. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.